Today, we will be changing the serpentine belt on the Mazda CX-9 2008 model. Some of the first things you got to do is remove this. Also, too, if you look down there very carefully, you can see the very top of the tensioner right there. But to where it's placed, it's very awkward to get a wrench in there to actually move the tension to get it out. So what I'm going to be doing today is jacking the engine up once I take the motor mounts out, which are going to be these 3 bolts, the silver ones, those 2 right there, and then this one right here on the back side right there. So I'll be back in a minute to show you what I've done to get to the belt. So now we have the motor mounts out, 1, 2, 3, and we also moved the reservoir like I was saying. So now you see everything you need to see. So now we're gonna jack it up a little bit so we can get clearance. Also too, make sure that your wood underneath of the oil pan has a block on it, because if not, you're gonna have a hard time. So what I did, I jacked it up, got my wrench on there now. Now I just put my pull bar on it, pull it off, pull off the old belt, put a new belt on, and that's pretty much it. So I had to pull it hard enough to release it for one thing, which I need 2 hands. So that's pretty much the whole video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.